Hi there, students. To flex a verb. A flex could be a noun as well. So I flexed my muscles to impress my students. Ha ha ha. Okay, so to flex, to bend a muscle, to bend your arm, to bend a joint. Yeah. To contract, to put make your muscle tense. We can also use this verb to flex, meaning to bend something. So he took the ruler and flexed it, yeah, and made it curve, because flex, this is related to flexible. Yeah, something that's flexible is something that you can bend. Also in British English, a flex is the cable that goes from the plug to an appliance. Yeah, so the flex that goes from the electricity to your computer. Okay, so to flex, to bend, to curve, to crook, yeah, to angle. To tighten your muscles, yeah, bodybuilders flexing their muscles. Okay, so he flexed during an earthquake. Something can flex if it's made to bend. So in earthquake areas like Japan or maybe Mexico, the tall buildings have materials that flex. Yeah, they bend if there is an earthquake. So they don't break, they flex, they bend. And then you can also use this to flex, to put your skills or your talent to work. So he was flexing his linguistic ability. Yeah, he was showing people how good he was at languages. The Americans use this as well, meaning to show off, to flaunt. So she was flexing her wealth by showing the beautiful jewelry and beautiful expensive jewelry that she was wearing. Okay, so to flex, to show off, to flaunt. This is American, and this is pretty informal. Okay, so, and then a flex, a cable, the cable that you plug something into the mains with. Okay, so flex your back, flex your leg, flex your muscles. You can use this to flex your muscles as well, metaphorically. The government was flexing its muscles by bringing in a lot of controversial legislation because they had a large majority. Yeah, I guess you could flex your strength in a position to show how much power you have. So it's to make use of something, to let people see how your authority. Yeah, to display your authority, to display your strength. I was thinking about the prefix flexi, but the only word I could really find that was useful with that is flexi time. And this comes with flexible. Flexi time means you can start work and finish work when you want, but you just have to do a certain number of hours each day. So let's see. Flex, formality. I think I'm going to give 5 out of 10 for formality. Use it anywhere. I think maybe this American phrase, to show off, to flaunt, to show everyone else how impressive you are, I think maybe a 4 in formality. And as to origin, this comes from Latin flexus, from the verb flecto, to bend. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Flex.